Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can easily copy a post in WordPress. So let's start. There are actually two ways how we can do it. So when I'm going to click on posts, I will just open whatever post, but click here on edit. Don't open it, click on edit. And then you're gonna have it here. And what you're going to do is just click on these three dots on the right upper side. And then just copy all content. And when you got it, you're gonna add a new post. And now there's this thing. Sometimes when you're gonna go this way, visual, what can happen that you are going to copy it as a HTML. So what you need to do is, let's just delete it. Let's just publish it. And what you need to do is just add a block HTML and paste it like that. So this is like the first way. If this happens, that you're gonna have like this HTML stuff here. Preview. And when I'm going to preview my first, this one here, preview. So as you can see, it's completely the same, only because I added as a HTML. But there is also like second way, which I like, which is better. Do it with a plugin. Add a new plugin. And just search copy posts. And you're gonna see it here, like duplicate posts, install now. I like this way much more. Activate it. Okay, we have it here. Now just click posts here. And you're gonna see it here, clone. Voila, here you got it. Or nunc various clone. And you got a post here. So these are the second, two ways how we can do it and how we can easily copy posts in WordPress. Pretty simple, pretty easy, and I hope it was helpful. Thank you very much, everybody. If you have any questions on how we can do it, or if you have any other question about WordPress, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you, provide you some feedback, some guidance, and things like that. So that's it. Thank you, everybody. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.